Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show a homemade miniature jet engine. And the engine name was Samo V1, officially designed and built by SM Royal Official. Let's go to the video. This is the first design made by us. It's looked like very simple. And this is second design. And this is 2024 model, and this is last design for Samo V1 engine, and Samo V2 will launch soon. For more updates, follow us on Instagram. And comparing to first and second design, third design, looking pretty good and nice. Stay tuned for Samo V2 engine. Thanks for watching.